Hit a motherfucker with a stiff on, ooh. Fuckin' with a nigga like me won't do. Left, right, left, right, left, right, ayy. Stop tryna get on my shit like move. Hit a motherfucker with a stiff on, ooh. Fuckin' with a nigga like me won't do. Left, right, left, right, left, right, ayy. Stop tryna get on my shit like move.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Pixels and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to have your controller connected to your OBS. Yeah, easy. I know. So step one, you want to go to gamepadviewer.com. You just got to go to this website, link in the description. Just go here. Then you want to grab your PlayStation controller and connect it with a USB. Okay, so whenever you have your controller connected, you have to have Windows 10 for this, obviously, but you want to go onto here, click player 1, and then you'll have your controller. For Xbox, you can do this. White is better for darker games like Call of Duty and stuff if you're playing zombies, and it's just easier to see for most games all around. But since I play on PlayStation, I'm gonna do the PlayStation 4 white. So once you have this, as you can see, you can just move around. Just figure out which one you like. You can either do this one, or you can do PlayStation 4. It doesn't really matter. Next thing you want to do, click this little menu thing. Click Generate URL. Make sure to choose your skin. I'm doing PlayStation 4 white. Click that to copy it. Now, go to OBS. Add a new scene. And then once you're here, click Add. You want to add a display capture because you're displaying your video. I'm just gonna do a display capture for now. Okay, there's our display capture. Next thing you want to do is click Add. Go to Browser. Let's just name this PS4 controller. And then next, add your object URL. Click OK. And then shrink it down to however big you want it to be. Let's just put it here. And then you want to unplug your controller and plug it back in. And there it is. Use your controller. And now while you're in the middle of the game, you can just use this controller and it'd be hella easy. And yeah, that's all you need to do if you want to have a controller. Okay, so now you've gotten your controller. Yeah, that's all well and good. Next thing, you can just click out of the video now. But if you want to take this one step further, you want to go and get an app called PS4 Remote Play. You go to Remote Play. Want to download for whichever you have. I have Windows PC. You just want to download it. This is the official PlayStation website. You're not getting hacked or anything. You see this, they're selling PlayStation. Yeah, it's not a hack or anything. And yeah, so you just want to click on Windows PC or Mac, download it, and then you want to go to your next thing. Next thing you want to do whenever your thing is actually open, you want to connect your PS4 to an Ethernet or Wi-Fi or just anything like that in general, and make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi whenever you're using Remote Play. Click Start. Give it a second to look for the PS4. Oh, here I am. And as you can see, I can play on it. Next thing you want to do, go into OBS, make a new thing to window capture, and then do Remote Play. Then once it does this, size it to however big you want it to be. Okay, and now just put your PS4 controller on top, and boom. Now you can play your game with your PS4 controller on top. So, yeah. Okay, so let's go and load up a game like Call of Duty. Yeah, so my mic kind of cut out while I was recording, so basically what I'm showing you here is just like an example of the controller moving while you're navigating a game or like a game screen, and show that it actually works. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just like moving around the controller, going through the menus. So yeah, nothing really too extravagant, but you can still like use the controller to like stream Fortnite or something, so that you can show off your epic building skills. Oh yeah, epic. Yeah, so thank you guys all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Be sure to use creator code finesse_soul, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.